third step in this tutorial is to show you how some of the features within the Bongo video conferencing tool work. So of course we have our whiteboard, and as I mentioned prior, we can add shapes and use the whiteboard functionally with some form of demo. And this again could be some form of mathematics solution, chemistry solution, or just some form of annotation that is occurring throughout, because you can utilize a pen feature here. So, and I don't have my pen, so I'm using my finger, but you can get the point on how that can be done. I'll just clear the annotations using the clear tool. So that's a handy tool for you to have. This could be an image analysis where you are bringing an image in and then you're annotating around it with thoughts or considerations. It can be virtually anything, which leads me to your next feature, which again is the ability to upload a presentation. So I'm going to upload a presentation. Actually, I already have a doc in here. It's a PDF. So we can do PDFs or we can do PowerPoints and load them directly in. So in comes our doc. So let's say we were doing some form of group work, annotating this document, feedback. We can pen feature or type text directly in the inside of the document to edit it. And our pen feature will let us annotate. And then we have the type text feature, which is not totally cooperating with me right now. You should be able to create, there it is, and type directly in the doc, which will annotate. So we have this ability again. We could be recording it so that we could view it later. We can come back out if we wanted to go back to our original whiteboard, and that clears it. And we can then go to whatever presentation we were doing or whatever visual. We could initiate a poll and we could ask a question, and we could type that question directly on the page, or simply ask it, what are your thoughts on the COVID response? The COVID response has been effective. That could be your question. People could answer. You've created your poll. The poll results would then come up, and when you are ready to post them, you hit close and they come up. And that's a handy way to elicit some discussion. So it's a great tool. And again, I'll just clear that out simply like that. Great tool for initiating some discussion. You've got some handy features here within Bongo. And then if we simply want to go to share your screen and go to your desktop to look at some of the things you're doing, you can share your screen and go to some form of presentation of a PowerPoint or a image analysis, etc. So that's some of the functionality within Bongo for having video conferencing and with participants in an interactive place.